Morning. This is a real quick video to show you how straightforward the straightforward Forex strategy actually is. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to look at a typical Forex chart. You should be able to see Euro US dollar. I'm on the 2-minute time frame, and the time now is 16 minutes past 1 UK time. It's now Monday, the 3rd of October. And so this is when you download straightforward Forex strategy, you get the indicator, which has a lot of indicators built into it. So as you can see, it might look a little bit complicated. I'm just going to try and break it down for you. Let's just take off the normal candles, and this leaves us with what we call smooth Heikin-Ashi candles. Now, in my case, I've got black candles when price is rising, and I've got pink candles when price is falling. You can actually adjust this in your settings when you get the indicator. So we'll go back to the normal view, and what you can see first of all is we have at the top here, we have a down zone indicator, and below we have an up zone indicator. This is the first thing we look for before getting into a trade. So currently on this pair, we're in an up zone. And what happened, this happened at 12:58. One candle later, at 1300 hours, we also got a wave up signal, which is telling us what we can already see, that the pink candles have got very small and have been replaced by black candles. So two of our criteria have been satisfied on this pair. We've got an up zone, we've got a wave up. Now, the third criteria we look for is a bull engulfing candle. And here's one that's been highlighted here. It's been highlighted by this line here, which points out exactly where that bull candle opened. And just to move forward a little bit, this would become your stop loss if you got into a buy. So let's recap that. We've got an up zone signal there. We've got a wave up signal there. We had a wave down signal at this point. I'm just going to move those candles. You can see what happened. These black wave candles got bigger and then suddenly got smaller. And at that point there was a wave down. And now we've come back into a wave up. Now, my view on any trade on this pair right now would be stay out, because we're looking at a period of consolidation. We've gone up, we've come down, we've gone back up again. These wave candles are very flat, very small. There may be a change occurring now, but we just sit and watch it for the time being. There's a third factor that we need to, a fourth factor. We've got the up zone as one, we've got the wave up as two, and we've got the bull engulfing candle as three. This is telling us that we might be looking at a potential buy situation. However, this indicator here is saying that we're still in a bearish market. And there's something else that I've just noticed, and that is we've got a green dashed line there. And basically, price will need to break through that line before this indicator change to bullish. So I'm going to wait just a few seconds. We've got 13 seconds left on this candle. I'm going to wait and see what happens when this candle closes. So just sit and watch. We're looking at 1 second now. Okay, so that candle is actually not broken through that line. This is still saying bearish. So I'm going to stay out of this trade for the time being. What I'm going to do is mark my stop loss. It's important that you get your stop loss in position before you enter the trade. What I'm waiting for is this candle to break past this green dash line, which it has just done. So the dash line has disappeared and it's just reappeared. I'm going to set my entry. You see that this bearish is changing to bullish and back again. It's just on the verge of bullish. Right, we've now gone bullish. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to set my entry there. So I'm entering the trade at that point. I'm going to make that a green line. This is live trading in action. Now, I was perhaps a little bit too early getting in because this has actually turned back to bearish. But we'll ignore that for now. We'll work on the basis that this is going for a buy. We go to this indicator on the left-hand side here, and I select long position. I put my entry on the green line there. I put my stop loss on the red line there, and I then change the green background until I get one. It's on point. It's on exactly now. So the risk to reward ratio is exactly 1. So this is my target. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm going to put a blue line on there. That is where I'm hoping the price will go to. Now, this indicator here has automatically worked out for me the fact that my stop loss is 9.9 pips. You can see that on the bottom line. The risk to reward ratio is 1-to-1, and my take profit is at 9.9 pips. Now, assuming that we'd set our risk at 1%, then our reward would also be 1%. I'm just going to sit and watch this for a few seconds. I don't want this video to go on too long, but hopefully we'll start to move into profit any minute now. So here we are, we're in profit. Now bear in mind that I'm working on the 2-minute chart. I have to say that this strategy works on any time frame. It works on any pair. So we're doing a lot of testing on higher time frames, but I'm assured that the strategy definitely works with all time frames. Now, this was a 10-pip stop loss. That's quite high for my liking. I like to see smaller stop losses than that. I would go down as far as 5-pip stop losses, but you need to sort out your own comfort zone. You can see we're already more or less halfway up to our target. Because we're working on the 2-minute time frame, these trades don't take long. I'm just conscious I don't want this video to go on for too long, so I'm just going to wait. We've got 12 seconds left on this candle. I'm going to wait and see where this candle closes, and then I'm going to close the video. So we've got a new candle forming now, and it's just having a little bit of a pullback there. So hopefully I've demonstrated how very simply how the strategy works. I'm going to produce another in-depth video. If you would like to see that video, if you watch this one and you'd like to see a lot more detail, then please let me know. I will forward you the extended video as soon as it's ready. Okay, so thanks for jumping on. I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and I'll see you next time.